Hello class, for today's video, we are going to solve the activity given from last face-to-face class. So in this one, ato tryan og solve ang number 1 nga gihatag. So we have the given problem. The number of mobile phones sold per day at a retail store varies as shown in the given probability distribution, which is this one. Kani siya. So, in order for us to calculate the variance and standard deviation, atong unahan is of course to list down the kaning x nga values. So, since we have 30, 33, ibutang lang nato diri 30, 33, 38. We have 40 and 50. Okay. Next is also, next kay kopyahon ni si probability of x. We have 0.2, 0.2, 0.35, 0.23, okay, and 0.02. Okay, since ato namang nabutangan si x and p of x ay gihatag sa problem, next is to solve for the mean. Okay? But unsa ito pag-solve sa mean? I-times nato ni si x and si p of x. Kani si 30 and si 0.2, ibutang din diri So we have 30 times 0.2, we have 6. 33 times 0.2, 6.6 ang answer. 38 times 0.35, we have 13.3. 40 times 0.23, we have 9.2. And 50 times 0.02, of course, that is equal to 1. Then, in order for us to get the value sa mean, ipang-add lang ni sila. So, we are going to use the scientific calculator. We have 6 plus 6.6 plus 13.3 plus 9.2 plus 1. The answer is, so, class, base matingala mo nga ang nigawa sa inyong scientific is naka-fraction. Para ma-convert siya into decimal number, tuplukon lang ni siya, kani SD. So, the answer is 36.1. So, muo na ni siyang ato ang mean. 36.1. So, next, since naa naman tayo mean, i-minus din nato siya diri sa 30. I-minus nato siya diri sa x. So, we have 30 minus 36.1. Ana. Mag-una, permi si x muna siyang ato ang minuend, dayon subtrahen dayon ni si mean. So, we have 30 minus 36.1. That is negative 6.1. 33 minus 36.1. That is negative 3.1. Negative 3.1. So, 38 minus 36.1, we have 1.9. Try do na to be. Check. So the answer is 1.9. That's correct. Then 40 minus 36. 40 minus 36.1, we have 3.9. 3.9. And last, we have 50 minus 36.9. I mean 36.1. The answer is 13.9. Okay, since nakuha naman nato ni siya diri, ang second step, ang third step is get the square sa fourth nga column. Okay, we have the negative 6.1 man na siya, then square lang nato siya, or i-multiply nato siya by itself. So, pwede rin nani, negative 6.1 times negative 6.1. So, pwede rin nana. Okay? The answer is 37.21. We have 37.21. Next is negative 3.1 square. That is 9.61. 9.61. 1.9 square, we have 3.61. Then 3.9 square, we have 15.21. And 13.9 square, we have 193.21. 193.21. So, in this part class, since nakuha naman nato ni siya, ang next step is to multiply ang kaning fifth column diri sa second column. Okay? We have 37.21. I-times nato siya diri sa P of X, 0.2. Okay? We have 37.21 times 0.2. Answer is 7.442. 7.442. Okay? Next, we have 9.61 times 0.2 again, 0.2. The answer is 1.922. 1.922. Next, 3.61 na punta. Kani siya, 3.61 times, we have 0.35. 0.35. We have 1.2635. 1.2635. So, as you notice, class, gipang kopya yun na ko tanan decimal number. Kay, since naapamanta sa solution nga part, pero ayha na ta mag-limit sa 2 decimal places kung makuha na nato, kung pangitaon na nato ang variance in standard deviation. So, we have 1 point next is 15.21. 15.21 times, there is a 0.23. That is equal to 3.4983. 3.4983. And last, we have 193.21 times 0.02. 0.02, that is 3.8642. 3.8642. So, since sumana naman nato ni siya, kaning step, this is the fourth step man. Next is, in order for us to get the kani siyang variance, kani siya, kanina ay square, is ipang total nato ni siya, since summation man siya. No, let's go back to the formula sa variance. Diba we have variance equals the summation of x minus mean squared times p of x. So as you can see, nakuha naman nato ni siya, this one, which is muna sila, ipang-add nato ni siya para makuha si variance. So, we have 7.442 plus 1.922 plus 1.2635 plus 3.4983 plus 3.8642. So, we have the answer 17.99 ng ato ang variance. O para makuha na to ang standard deviation is ato lang siyang square root. So, square root of 17.99. The answer is 4.24. Okay. So, therefore, in this problem, ang iyahang mean is 36.21. Variance will be 17.99 and the standard deviation is equal to 4.24. So, that's it. And I hope nga parihatag answer sa number 1.